Daniela, and I am the SolidWorks and SolidWorks PDM SME for SBK and Associates. Today I wanted to go over a fun topic that we're all familiar with, and that is accessing SolidWorks on the go. Now, traditionally for me, this has meant hauling my laptop and my mouse, at minimum, wherever I'm going. But we offer a very fun solution that could ease that burden up and really make SolidWorks accessible anywhere, nearly anywhere on the go. The way this works is through vCAD. vCAD is a platform we offer. It acts as a remote desktop accessible through an internet browser. So as you can see here, I'm actually on my iPad. And the way this would work is you would have a portal to sign into and machines listed here. You pick your machine you'd like to work on. You'll be prompted to log in, and here you go. You have access to a remote desktop with SolidWorks installed. It can also support other programs, but we are focusing on SolidWorks, and it is truly very functional, very responsive. As you can see here, I am moving this around with my finger. You have access to the full suite of tools SolidWorks offers. You can add your customized add-ins in here as well. It's truly a very great solution for accessing SolidWorks on the go, and it's truly collaborative. An extra plus is that you can access this machine on your iPad while someone is in the office looking at the very exact same machine. You can collaborate in real time. For more SolidWorks tricks and tips, please stay tuned.